Material polyester Velboa, Sateen. ColorGreen. BrandJohn Deere. StyleJohn Deere Baby Cuddle Blanket FormSwaddle. Blanket FormSwaddle. Age range, description, infant. 100% polyester Velboa top side. Imported. 100% polyester Velboa top side. 13 by 13 inches square. Machine wash. Premium stitching for durability. One size. Material polyester Velboa, Sateen. ColorGreen. BrandJohn Deere. StyleJohn Deere Baby Cuddle Blanket FormSwaddle. Blanket FormSwaddle. Age range, description, infant. Product dimensions 10L×10W. PatternAnimal. SeasonsFall holiday. Product care instructions machine wash. SizeOne Size. Fabric type 100% polyester Velboa top side. Number of items 1. Item weight 3.38 ounces. Department Unisex Baby. Manufacturer John Deere Children's Apparel. ASIN B09F6Y2ZXT. Country of origin China. Item model number J2A 963 giganewtons.